I'm gonna
Order
take a
filled.
short here.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna break even here.
Alright, what's up, guys? I just finished working out. And you read the title right. I do plan on getting funded around basically $500,000 in the next week, which should be pretty easy because let me show you the math of it. Okay, so boom, day 2 of daily vlogs. So it's 950K accounts, 5 with Tops Up, 4 with Funded Futures Family. And it should be very easy because number 1, I'm not gonna rush it. Okay, number 2, I'm telling myself I don't need these accounts. When you tell yourself you don't need a certain thing with trading, like you don't need to take a trade today, it's gonna make your trading 10 times easier, right? Like, for example, if it's a choppy day, you're not gonna force a trade, right? If you miss a trade, you're not gonna force to find another trade, if that makes sense. And also, I wanna take these accounts slow because I don't wanna rush it unless I get the opportunity to, make 1,500, which I could because they have a 50% consistency rule, so that's the highest I can make in one day, which is pretty easy if you're using minis. But I'm going to be using micros again. Like, I want to take these accounts slow, and I'm going to update you guys every single day on the accounts. Yesterday was my first day on the Tops Up accounts, but I'm basically break even on those. So yeah, today's technically going to be the first day, I guess. I want to show you guys that it's very easy to get funded if you don't value the accounts so much, right? Because a lot of you haven't gotten funded before or have only gotten funded maybe once or twice, and the rest you failed. And it's because you value the accounts so much. You value getting funded very much. Okay, it's why a lot of traders, they pass the accounts and they get funded all the time, but they blow the funded accounts because they value getting a payout so much. Okay, if you don't need something in trading, it's gonna come to you very easily, because you're not gonna force it. If that makes sense, hopefully. But yeah, right now I'm just going to meditate and visualize before I get on the charts. That's really it. I already woke up early and worked out, which was the first win of the day. The second win is going to be to meditate before I get on the charts. So I'll see you right after. I can't be on Twitter. I can't. Look at the type of videos that pop up on Twitter. I don't understand. I gotta delete Twitter.
Oh my gosh. Took out news liquidity. I like shorts, but I want to see a pullback. Wow. Let's see if it was a fake out. I think if it goes above this level here, longs are going to come in. I'm going to take a short here.
Order filled. Order filled.
My copy trader.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna break even here. Trailing is super tight here.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm out of that on my top step. Still in on funded futures.
Stop filled.
Alright, I'm out. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna
Order
go
filled.
short here. 50 tick stop loss, pretty tight.
Order filled.
Alright, got stopped out. Alright, I'm
Order
gonna go
filled.
short here. Stop loss right above that wick we just created.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm pretty much break even on my top step accounts. I'm still up 1,000 to 700 on my other accounts.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna go short here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna tell you my stop loss.
Order filled.
I'm gonna break even here. We're at 50 ticks. We'll need to see a nice push down here. I'm gonna trail this.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm out of that. Oh.
Order filled.
And I'm out of my funded futures family. Okay, boom. I'm gonna lock myself out.
Finally, a nice winning day. When I saw you guys the opportunity came to me, it came to me, and I made, let me show you, almost 1,500 on my, what is this, funded futures. I have to cut off a bit out of that because I made a little too much on there. I accidentally had my copy trader off. That's why this one has $300 more. And then on my top step evaluations, I made 1,100. Currently, we're up
1,000 on them. So literally on my funded futures, we're basically halfway there, but we still have to trade 3 days on them. So the consistency, is all right. And then we're basically 1/3 of the way on Top Step. I'm glad it's Friday though. We're gonna end the week off on a good note. I should do a trade recap so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let me do a trade recap. Alright, so boom. Quick trade recap. So, you guys already know the way I do my charts. 15-minute 15-minute support and demand. 15-minute support and resistance. That's what the white lines are. And then these gray zones are basically supply and demand on all time frames down to the 5-minute. We were at this huge, I think it's a 90-minute supply zone that we were already rejecting off of. Okay, boom. We have news liquidity plus liquidity up here. All right, so that's really what I was looking at. Okay, right side is 15-minute time frame, and then left side is going to be 5-minute time frame. So boom, market opened up, and you guys already know I wait till 9:45 to actually place a trade. Now, when 9:45 came, and then we were chopping up, we were struggling to decide where to go. Now, mind you, I was already thinking shorts because I feel like this whole week we've been super overbought. It's been a slow ride up, and usually when that happens, I'm telling you, it drops very quick. It's like NASDAQ has gravity, Anyways, even though, 15-minute and 5-minute candles were closing above this 50%, they were still struggling to go either way, okay? And then this 9:55 candle, mind you, I was not going to rush into a trade because there was 10 a.m. news, okay? And when there's 10 a.m. news, I really don't want to rush into a trade because most likely I'll need to be in the trade at 10 a.m. when news comes out. So I was just waiting. Boom, this 5-minute candle closed below 50%. And as much as I wanted to go short, I needed to wait for that 50%. I needed to wait for the 10 a.m. candle, and that's exactly what I did. 10 a.m. came, and I'm pretty sure I took a short. Let me go on the 1 minute. Okay, boom. I took a short right here. Around here. And I had like a 50. I had a pretty tight stop loss. The trade looked something like this. And I could have made 1,500 like right off the bat, but I'm trying, mind you, like it's very volatile. I'm trying to lock in my money. So that's what I did. I probably got like maybe 200 ticks because I made 1,000 first. Boom. 200 ticks short. Then, it was pulling back and I went short again. And I literally got stopped out by 1 tick, mind you. I got stopped out right here. And then, boom, another 5-minute candle was created. That one right there. And that's where I shorted again with the same stop loss, but a little bit higher. Trade was something like this, and then I basically trailed it again because I'm trying to lock in my money in this crazy ass market, and market's just been very sporadic. I don't know, it's been very crazy, not making me want to hold trades as long, but yeah. And then on my funded futures, I took the first trade and then I skipped the second trade and then I did the third trade again. So that was really it. Very, very simple day. And it reminds me of, if you're patient for the day, the trading day, if you're patient for, I don't know, if you're patient for the markets, the trade to come to you, it will come to you. For example, I think yesterday I had a break even day, and yeah, it was choppy yesterday. I had a break even day. And as much as I wanted to keep trading, I understand that sometimes you need to step away and just wait for the next day, because the next day might give you a better opportunity, and it's also like, if you show up every single day, you might get lucky. But with that being said, that I'm gonna close the vlog out here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't really show you much except my plan on getting funded. What is it? $450,000. I'm gonna take it slow. That's basically my plan. Usually I love to just get 1500 and just pass it in 2 days, but I'm gonna try to split it up in at least 3 days, or 5 days. Like, I'm gonna give myself a week to get funded. And when you do that, when you give yourself time, all you have is time. All you can do is just be patient for the market to give you the best setup, So my plan on getting funded $450,000 is just to take it slow, obviously, and then when the market gives you an opportunity to size up, take it, because who knows when will be the next time. But you really have to know, the market when you need to size up. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't size up when you see a crazy ass pump. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. It's just be patient for your setup, really. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to trade live with me Monday through Friday, except on holidays, and be part of my Sunday psychology calls with the team, link below. If you want to join the free Discord, link below. You guys already know. And thank you for watching.